Houston Water Heaters has been in business since 1991. We service pretty much anywhere around Houston. We'd like you to use Houston Water Heaters because that's all we do. We focus on water heaters, tankless, conventional, solar, commercial. We're very good at it, and because we're good at it, we're able to save you money. We install 4 different brands of water heater. We believe they're the top 4 in the country. That's Bradford White, Ream, State, and A.O. Smith. When we get to your house, we're going to give you the royal treatment. You get the white glove treatment. We put down the rugs. If you have stairs, we cover